Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can allow or disallow message requests from anyone on Twitter, which is called X now. So what you can do is log in into your Twitter account, X account, then go to something called more, then click on settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, these are the settings you'll receive. Then what you have to do is click on privacy and safety. After that, you'll see something called direct messages. Click on that. When you click on that, then you will see allow message requests from everyone, verified users or no one. So I have selected no one right now, but if you want the message request to come from everyone, then you can just select everyone, and the people you follow will always be able to message you. So if you want to allow message requests from the verified users, you can just select that. And you can also filter low quality messages so that the spam messages or low quality messages will be sent to a separate inbox on the bottom of our message request. So yeah, this is also a good thing. So this is how you can just select these things, guys. This is a most useful setting that you can use, guys, to allow messages from everyone or no one, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys.